So we're out on the trail, we're riding along, and we need to stop every once in a while, right? So the best way to stop on a bike is a couple little skills put together while you're riding. Get this seat down, out of my way for a second. I'm gonna have my finger always on these levers. I always wanna have one finger on the levers of my bike. That way I have control, I can brake whenever I need to. I have those level pedals, but when I'm riding, I'm gonna take this front foot when I wanna brake, and I'm just gonna drop my heel down a little bit. What that does is support me, so when I stop, I don't go over the handlebars. I have this pressure right here to keep me back on the bike. That looks just like that. In a second we'll roll through and show you what it looks like.